So for this little one, it's going to be short and sweet. It's just going to be installing a twin plate clutch. The clutch brand I've decided to use and I've always used, and they've really supported me well, and I've literally never had any clutch issues, is X Clutch or Extreme Clutch in Australia. So this is our old clutch that come out of the car, and this is the new clutch that's going in. It's essentially the same clutch, but we've just increased the size of the input shaft. The new transmission now has a GM input shaft, so the other clutch plates weren't actually that bad for how much abuse this thing's taken, but yeah, we had to put new ones in anyway. So we got basically a service kit. It's basically an LS service kit is what we've got from them. We're gonna, as you'll see here, the original clutch is actually welded. Well, not the clutch, but the flywheel bolts are actually welded in here. So they were never coming out. We've installed the new bearing, and one super nice thing that comes with all the X Clutch twin plates is this installing tool. Let's get that light out. This installing tool, it's sick. It's literally exactly same as the transmission shaft. So this is sick. So we'll put him in there and we'll get this installation underway.